What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this bot on Telegram, faucet bot. So what can this bot do in by doing simple tasks in Telegram? So I start the bot, click on start, and I'll see welcome to faucet bot. This is how it will be like. Your balance normally is supposed to be 0.00 US dollar. In fact, it's supposed to be dry and it's like empty. So to start in this bot, all you just have to do is say check out our Telegram channel, faucet Telegram. Okay, you join it, and then I've already joined the channel. So to end on this bot, I'll just go to daily clean. Now I've done 1/1 short link here. You just have to explore shortened link, a short link. So you just do short links. Okay, so I'll try the second one now, either this shrink in. I'll go to the websites. Okay, so then it has loaded. Now click on I'm not a robot. I just have to solve this captcha. Verify. Now I'll click on continue. It will take me to the net. This can see it, redirect. You can see here, please wait, generating link, 5 seconds. So I'll just have to complete this short link, and immediately I'm done, it will refer me back to the bot. So just hold on, guys. Okay, guys, so I was able to access the page. I'm done with the short link now. Let me go to the daily click so that I can see that the shrink in has already clicked. Yeah, I've done 2 short links. So now, guys, you see that 0.001 USD was added to the balance. So first thing, I'll go to my balance. Very simple withdrawal. To withdraw, I just have to impute in my faucet pay. Yeah. So I'll click on faucet pay withdrawal, and I'll click on my email, or Gmail rather, and I use it. Click the amount. Boom, it's already sent to my faucet pay. So let's go back to check. So guys, so I'll go to my user dashboard. Now I'm going to check how much, if it has been brought out. Yeah. Okay. So now you see coins collected today is 0.002. The pay in payouts came in. You can see it here. It was added. If I decide to check my history, if I decide to, so guys, that's just another way to earn some free US dollar to your faucet pay wallet. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you do like this video, please don't forget to turn on the subscribe button, like this video, comment and share this video with your friends. Don't also forget to check the link to the bot on the comment section. Thank you.